What's up, y'all? My name is Ashley Strickland Horn, but I go by Ashley E, and I'm a sewing blogger based out of Phoenix, Arizona. And a little bit about my backstory. I started sewing in high school, took my first class, learned how to draw or make the little square pillow like everybody else. But then this crazy ambitious person here decided that's not enough. I'm gonna make a pillow with 2 arms, pockets on this side, pockets on that side to put my books and remotes, and it's gonna have a removable cover, and it's gonna have a handle so I can carry that bad boy everywhere I want to go. Yeah, that was this person here. I haven't stopped challenging myself with sewing like that ever since. So that's what you're gonna find on this channel is I'm gonna push myself, I'm gonna push you to even pull out the box that the sewing machine is, because I know some of you guys still have that box in the back of your closet and it has dust bunnies on top of dust bunnies. So the goal here is to help you, give you some tricks for beginners, intermediate, even advanced. Like there may be some things that you don't know that I learned and vice versa. This is a sharing channel here. So positivity, all that jazz is what we're gonna be about on this channel. So after high school, I went on to college, did a little costume design there, and then took a break, came back, and have been sewing ever since. I started my blog. It's been a great way to help with like anxiety and depression because I have to deal with a lot of health issues, which we'll discuss videos later. But the positive note is that I've found an outlet that I'm so passionate about and I want to share it with you. So I look forward to getting to know you and sharing what I know and hearing what you know as well. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel, and let's do the thing. All right, I'll catch you guys later.